Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn about noun numbers. You know that noun may denote one person or thing or more than one person or a thing. Let us study in detail about the numbers. Types of numbers. They are divided as singular number and a plural number. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. That means snake, table, box, brush. Here it denotes only one thing. So like numbers are called a singular number. Snake, table, box, brush, tree, like words. It shows only one thing. It is known as singular number. Then let us study what is plural number. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. Examples are snakes, tables, boxes, brushes, trees. It shows that their numbers are more than one. This is known as plural number. Now we will learn how we can make plural forms from singular forms by adding s to the singular forms. Singular and plural, let us study leg, legs. Here just after the G we added one s. So then leg changed into legs. So plural form formed from that singular by adding one s. Shoe, shoes, snake, snakes, table, tables, hat, hats, moon, moons. Now another rule we are going to learn by adding es to the singular nouns. So here you see that gas. It is ended with s. Here we added one es. That means gas, gases. Brush, brushes. Church, churches. Box, boxes. Bench, benches. Glass, glasses. Here we add es to the end of the singular nouns. Now another one, by changing y into ies. That means that word that ended with y. Here y changed into ies. Duty, duties. Lady, ladies. City, cities. Story, stories. Country, countries. Reply, replies. By adding s to the noun ending with y. Sometimes letters, that means words, may be end with y, joy. Then here we add only one s. Joy, joys. Valley, valleys. Ray, rays. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Boy, boys. By adding s to the noun ending with o, like you know that studio. Here, what is the spelling? S-T-U-D-I-O. Here this word end with an o. Here we add one s. Studios, studio, studios. Bamboo, bamboos. Portfolio, portfolios. Photo, photos. Dynamo, dynamos. Memento, mementos. Here everywhere we add one s and we can make that plural by this way. By changing f or fe into ves. Sometimes words that end with f are fe. Look here, thief, thief is changed into thieves. Thieves. Half, house. Wife, it is ended with a fe. It is changed into wives, ves. Life, lives. wolf, wolves, knife, knives. By adding s to the noun ending with f, grief, grief. Here it ends with a s, grieves. Roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. Scarf, scarves. Turf, turfs. Puff, puffs. Sometimes words that in between there may be vowel sound. That vowel sound changed. How? Foot changed into feet. Here in between F and T, two vowel letters O. Here, while it changed into plural, in between F and T, O changed into two E letters. Foot changed into feet. Mouse changed into mice. Goose changed into geese. Men, here A letter, it changed into E, men. Tooth changed into teeth. Woman changed into women. Here only one letter change, but its pronunciation is totally changing. Woman into women. Sometimes words that ended with en or ren. How it may be? Ox. Ox changed into oxen. Brother changed into brethren. Child changed into children. Here you can see that this word ends with en and ren. By adding s to the principal words. Here now two words together, sometimes three words also. So like that words are called complex nouns, like passerby. This word contains two words. Here which word is the principal word or important one? There we adding s. Passerby, which is changed into passers-by. Commander-in-chief, changed into commanders-in-chief. Stepson. So which word is important one? Son. So that is why here we add s with the sons. That means stepson changed into stepsons. Stepdaughter. Here important word is daughter. That's why stepdaughters. Son-in-law. Son changed into sons. Sons-in-law. Court-martial. Courts-martial. Sometimes some words are taken from other languages. That means some words taken from foreign languages, then it will keep their original forms. How it may be? Let us study. From Latin languages, singular and plural, let us see. Datum, it is plural, data. Alumnus, alumni. Appendix, appendices. Radius, radii. Erratum, errata. Fungus, fungi. Gymnasium, gymnasiums or gymnasia. Focus, focuses or foci. Here singular and plural changed by that end letters. There are some changes. From Greek language, how it may be? Crisis changed into crisis. Osis changed into oses. Criterion into criteria. Thesis into thesis. Here you can see that here I changed into E. Here also I changed into E. Here ION changed into IA. IS changed into ES. From Hebrew words. Hebrew has some speciality, you know, that Bible, the Holy Bible is written by Hebrew language earlier, but nowadays it is translated into many other languages. Singular and plural, cherub, cherubim, seraph, seraphim. Some nouns are same in the case of singular and plural. So don't make any mistake there. Some words they are keeping same form. There is no change. Is it in singular or plural? Let us say sheep, sheep, deer, deer, salmon, salmon, fish, fish. Here, is it singular or plural? It used in the same form only. Some nouns are used as singular, especially that subjects like politics, physics, news, mathematics, gallows, means. Here everywhere that S letter is at the end, but it is used as singular. News, mathematics, means, politics, physics, like words used as singular only. Here we have to remember that some nouns are there. They are always used in plural. Let us see what are they. Scissors, shears, bellows. These three are tools. They always used as plural. Trousers, pants. These are dress materials. This also used as plural. Measles, mumps. These two are examples of diseases. Here these words also used as plural. Caroms, billiards, like games. Here also used as plural only. Cattle, poultry, people. Here number of living things are there. They also considered as a plural nouns. Let us conclude today's portion. Abstract nouns, material nouns and proper nouns have no plural forms. We have to remember abstract nouns, material nouns and proper nouns have no plural forms. Plurals in symbols, signs, figures and letters formed by adding S. Nouns are two in number, singular and plural. Thank you.